To promote a strong safety culture, prioritize leadership commitment, foster open communication, provide comprehensive training, implement robust safety procedures, and recognize and reward safe behaviors. Here's a more detailed breakdown of how to promote a strong safety culture. 1. Leadership commitment and role modeling. Lead by example. Leaders at all levels must demonstrate their commitment to safety through their actions and words. Prioritize safety. Ensure safety is a core value and a top priority within the organization. Show support. Leaders should actively support safety initiatives and empower employees to raise safety concerns. Accountability. Hold individuals accountable for following safety procedures and addressing safety issues. 2. Open communication and transparency. Encourage reporting. Create a culture where employees feel comfortable reporting hazards, near misses, and safety concerns without fear of reprisal. Two-way communication. Establish clear channels for communication, allowing for open dialogue between employees and management. Listen and respond. Actively listen to employee concerns and take appropriate action to address them. 3. Comprehensive training and education. Provide training. Offer regular and comprehensive safety training to all employees, covering relevant hazards and procedures. Keep training current. Ensure training is up to date and tailored to the specific risks and tasks involved in the workplace. Make training engaging. Use interactive and engaging methods to make safety training more effective. 4. Robust safety procedures and policies. Develop clear policies. Establish clear and concise safety policies and procedures that are easy to understand and follow. Implement safety management systems. Utilize a robust safety management system to identify, assess, and control risks. Regular audits and inspections. Conduct regular safety audits and inspections to identify potential hazards and ensure compliance with safety procedures. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update safety policies and procedures to ensure they remain effective. 5. Recognition and reward. Safe behaviors. Acknowledge safe practices. Recognize and reward employees who consistently demonstrate safe behaviors. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement to encourage safe practices and discourage unsafe behaviors. Communicate successes. Highlight safety successes and share lessons learned to reinforce positive safety behaviors. 6. Employee involvement and empowerment. Involve employees in safety decisions. Encourage employee input and involvement in safety-related decisions. Empower employees. Give employees the authority and resources to address safety concerns and make improvements. Foster a culture of safety. Create a workplace where everyone feels responsible for safety and actively participates in maintaining a safe environment.